All right, guys, we want to jump right into it with our daily analysis from our trade from August 6th, yesterday. Sorry, I'm almost a day late. Had a pretty busy day yesterday, but I am going to be posting two videos today. The trade from yesterday, August 6th, and the trade from today, August 7th, which both of them was won in a very fast amount of time. But I'm going to go ahead and go over the one from yesterday first, August 6, 2025. Let's take a look and see what happened. Okay. Now, and again, this blue vertical line is, I marked it here so you guys can see the time that I have entered the market, which, as you can see right here, it was Wednesday, yesterday, August 6, 2025 at 6:45 a.m. and this is Eastern Standard Time. Okay. So if you're on the West Coast, that's Pacific time. That's that's 3:45 a.m. If you're on Central Time, that's 5:45 a.m. And I think if you're Mountain Time, that is 4:45 a.m. Okay. You can always convert the time zone on Google. Just type in, whatever time zone you're in, and that time will pop up. Okay. But this is on Eastern Standard Time. Okay. So the blue vertical line is what I marked here, and that has been the time that we entered. So, well, we didn't enter the market at 6:45. That just is 15-minute intervals that I'm trading on. So we entered the market actually at 6:50. Okay. So this interval would be from 6:45 to 7, 15-minute interval. But we entered the market at 6:50. Okay. So that's why I marked it here. It was during the 6:45 interval. Okay. So we got in for a buy yesterday. Our trade was a buy. Okay. Came into the market, and I always put in 10 pips. That's my goal, to hit 10 pips. Percentage in point. That's what pips stand for. So we got into the market right about right here. You can see my mouse right here. I marked the green line here to let us know how much the market needed to go up by in order for the profit to hit. So if you see this candlestick passing this green line that I marked here, that means we made our profit, our take profit hit, and we are out of the market. Okay. So as you can see, I actually hit, my trade hit within the same interval. It was actually 1 minute and 9 seconds total market time before our take profit hit. Very fast, under 2 minutes. 1 minute and 9 seconds. The take profit hit within the same candlestick. You can't see it because this blue line is here, but it is a wick that's passing this green line. But if you can't see it, you see what it did for the next two candlesticks as well. It passed the green line. Okay. But it did pass it in the first interval as well. So trade successfully won. I predicted the market will go up, which it really did. And it actually passed this breaking point as well. The hours down, as you got further ahead in the day, it actually shot up quite a bit before it dropped some. Okay. So market prediction was correct. The reason why I got in for a buy, let me talk about that. I seen this was a downtrend. Okay. I seen a strong downtrend of sellers. I seen this green candlestick. I seen another green candlestick. I see the red candlestick. So it was a high chance it could have went back down. But when I got into the market around 6:50, this candlestick was growing pretty strong. I took a really smart calculated risk that it was going to go up. I doubt that the market would have went back down after drawing my resistant line. Okay. And it did just that. The market went up. So if you got in for a buy, great job. 9 times out of 10, you take profit hit if you put in the number of pips that the market had reached during that time frame yesterday. So this was our daily analysis of what happened in the market yesterday. Again, you may not understand any of this verbiage, but I am going to be coming out with a training that's going to break all of this down for you so you guys can be skilled traders and possibly even experts at this. Okay. There's a lot of money in trading. There's a lot. I fell in love with it about 2-3 years ago. It took me a few months to fully grasp how to trade. And once you trading is a skill that once you learn how to trade, you're going to fall in love with it. It is going to become addicting, but you have to have financial responsibility as well. Okay, so be on the lookout for the training. I will be coming out with that soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am going to post a video a little later today regarding today's trade. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. Until next time.